Did you know there's a letter in the Bible written to a runaway slave who thought his life was over? Dear broken one, your name might not be Onesimus, but like him, you ran. Maybe you ran from school when the pressure got too much. Maybe you ran to pills or bottles when the pain felt too heavy. Maybe you made choices that left scars on people you love. Onesimus means useful, but he felt anything but useful. A runaway, a thief, worthless in his own eyes. But God had a different plan. Paul wrote to his master, "He was useless to you before, but now he's useful to both of us." One encounter with Jesus transformed everything. Your addiction doesn't define you. Your dropout status doesn't limit you. Your mistakes don't disqualify you. Like Onesimus, you can go from useless to useful, from running away to running toward purpose, from broken to beloved. God specializes in redemption stories. He's not done writing yours. Your comeback starts now. Sincerely, someone who believes in second chances.